Hey guys, this is a 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, damaged right here in this door. All been fixed up. Nothing in the front was touched. 4-cylinder motor. It's an Outer Banks edition. Leather. $12,600 miles. Backup camera. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's all your drive options you can see. Steering wheel controls, cruise, all your power options, smart key, power windows, locks and mirrors. See Apple CarPlay. Does have some of your driver assistance packages. Does have the all-weather floor mats. Here's your VIN number. Does have your hitch here on the rear. Spare tire there. Again, 2024, 12,600 miles, rebuilt title, damages in this door. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.